I am Miranda, a Cambridge qualified English teacher from Georgia. In this video, I'd like to speak about the most common question asked by English learners: how to improve our speaking skills. Speak, speak and speak. Let's start right off by saying that there is not a magic pill for better speaking. That would be too easy, right? Commit to practicing often with as many different people as possible. Do you already live in or study overseas? Take advantage of the thousands of native speakers in your immediate community, such as your friends, their families, your co-workers, classmates, employees, at the coffee shops, supermarket, post office and other places you visit. If you're learning in your own country, increase your practice time by meeting your classmates after class, finding a language exchange partner, or joining an online community of learners. You need words in order to talk, right? Class time is great for learning vocabulary, but there are other ways you can increase yours. Watch movies, listen to music, the radio and to podcasts, read books, magazines and blogs. When listening and reading, find new and interesting expressions, slang terms and synonyms. Write down this new material and look up anything you're not familiar with. A smartphone can be a powerful tool for learning languages. Use it to record yourself speaking, then listen back to see how your English sounds to other people. Make the most of all your favorite productivity apps to organize your practice time and make a note of all the new words you learn. Use English learning groups on WhatsApp or any other application. Start recording with short voice messages introducing yourself. For example, my name is Miranda, I'm from Georgia. Every time you can increase the number of sentences you record. At least make yourself get accustomed to recording voice notes and listening to them. Day by day, you will gain confidence in speaking publicly. Choose a word you'd like to work on and practice it in different sentences. Use the word until you have learned it and keep using it regularly. Don't learn many words. 1 or 2 words a day is enough, not more than 4 or 5. If you don't know their usage, just Google it and find the word in different sentences. Then try to make up similar sentences. Watch movies in English and pay attention to new vocabulary and pronunciation. Imitate the actors and have fun with it. Take a cooking course in English or join a book club. Anything you enjoy doing. Make sure you do it and communicate it in English. Using English to talk about the things you enjoy will make practicing a positive experience. Debate all the topics that interest you with friends in English. Try to use as much vocabulary as you can to get your point across and listen to the other arguments carefully, so you can argue against them effectively. Whenever you can, take a few minutes out of your day and to stand in front of the mirror and speak. Choose a topic, set a timer for 2 or 3 minutes and just talk. The point of this exercise is to watch your mouth, face and body language as you speak. It also makes you feel like you're talking to someone, so you can pretend you're having a discussion with a study buddy. Talk for the full 2 or 3 minutes. Don't stop. If you get stuck on a word you don't know, try expressing your idea in a different way. You can always look up how to say that word after the 2 to 3 minutes end. This will definitely help you out what kinds of words or sentences you have trouble with. If you think in your native language and then try to speak English, you will always have to translate between languages. Translating is not an easy thing to do. Even people fluent in 2 or 3 or more languages have trouble switching between languages. The solution is to think in English. You can do this anywhere, anytime. Try to use English when you're thinking about your day or when you're trying to decide what food to order. Even try to use an English to English dictionary to look up words. That way, you never have to use your native language and translate words. You'll notice that when you think in English, it's easier for you to speak in English too. Following along with TV shows, YouTube videos, or other natural English speech to practice sounding natural too. Find a short clip that you like or that uses words that you'd say in real life. Then repeat it line by line. Try to match the tone, speed, and even the accent, if you can, of course. It doesn't matter if you miss a few words. The important thing is to keep talking. Try to sound just like the native speakers. An even better idea to improve English is to learn word phrases, not just words. You might be using correct grammar and vocabulary, but it's still not how a native speaker would say it. For example, you can say, "How do you feel today?" But a native speaker might say, "How are you doing?" or "What's up?" instead. Phrases and expressions can be helpful for sounding more natural when you speak. I hope that you will take all these tips into consideration to improve your speaking skills. For more useful videos, subscribe to my channel and follow my page on Facebook and Instagram, Miranda's English Club. See you in the next